So welcome to this brand new vlog where we talk about the huge trend, guys. But before we diving into today's stock opportunity, I want to tell you a story. So there was a guy, right, that usually go out with his dog, and currently he cannot go to the park quite a bit because of the whole lockdown and health situation. So he went to the local pet store, and the pet store offered him a green leaf for dogs, and he was like wondering, oh, now even for dogs, huh? So here you can see the story is that the whole world is changing to a more green, more healthier, more vegan, more sport, mentality that some of the stocks could benefit. And the stock that we will talk about, there's a link into the description with all the tickers, all the information that we'll talk about today. So make sure to click it and check it out for yourself. Guys, this video is sponsored, so make sure, I'm not the financial advisor. I cannot tell you if to buy or sell a stock, so make sure to make your own research, and this video is for awareness only. And today's stock that we will talk about is called County Line Energy Corp. And these guys are actually, making devices or having the cultivation opportunities to grow different kind of products, okay? If it's, green salad or hemp or whatever is needed, these guys are creating the infrastructure. And, you want to be sometimes on the supply chain side of investments, okay? You can be the consumer product, but sometimes you think, let the consumer company create, the marketing, the development, and I want to be on the supplier side, which sometimes give you a kind of stability for the business in general. So these guys are specialized in growing those articles, okay? So this is a huge trend that is going on for years and years, and people want to be healthier and more aware what they eat, how they eat it, and how it's actually grown, right? I mean, we talked about green investments and green finances is a big hit over the next couple of years, like Larry Fink from BlackRock Investments told us, but have a look if you have missed it.
Climate change is going to require a huge energy transition. It's going to be 40 or 50 years. So we're not running away. We need to have an organized plan for those countries. There are countries too that are heavily based on hydrocarbons. For those countries, for those states, for those municipalities, our job is to inform them what we are seeing as an asset allocation. We are not running away from all hydrocarbons because we do believe they play a role. We believe natural gas plays a very large role in the energy transition. And so we believe this is a process, not just, we're not stopping. We did make a statement that coal is not a good investment now. But the most important thing is through that transparency, our job is to provide better risk analytics, better risk-adjusted returns with a sustainability.
So according to the article where you find the link into the description, you will see that the US legal green leaf market could potentially double to about $41.5 billion by 2025. This is a huge market, guys. So considering that a company can achieve, part of the market, it can be quite lucrative for the company itself. So then obviously we have the green leaf appears to be a more widely and accepted for multitude of apparent health benefits. This means that, you see more in consumable health products like maybe creams. You see that used into for smoking devices. You see that for even toothpaste is having green leaf inside them, just because the health benefit is really great. And if you think about it, you know, the health benefit, it's not something new that the people are discovering now. It is used for hundreds and hundreds of years in different kind of cultivates and cultures where we just come a little bit late to the game. And the nice thing about the County Line Energy Corp is that they're currently trying to expand as well. So they bought this company that is actually have this growth boxes where they can put them into stores, into cultivation houses, and grow those plants at any outside temperature. I mean, think about it. This is the wishful thinking by people who lived, you know, years and years and years back, that you can actually grow. Doesn't matter which weather it is, doesn't matter which ground quality it is, you can always grow your green leaf products in a green box, and obviously this on scale if possible. So let's dive into the stock chart right now. So let's talk about the stock and the stock chart and the stock price of County Line Energy Corp. So here's the ticker CYLC on the OTC markets, guys. If you want to get all the information, make sure to check out the link into the description. So market cap of about 659,000 US dollars, and this is obviously, here we are talking about the penny stocks, so the volatility can be quite huge here, and you can see that approximately also here on the 52-week range, which is always showing you what is the high or the recent high of the stock during the last year and the lowest price. And as you can see here, the stock at the lowest point was at $1 cent, and then the highest price 23 cents. So you can see the opportunity, but also the risk here. You know, you could more than 20 times your money, but you could also, you know, really have a devaluation here of your funds. So make sure to be aware of that. But let's have a look into the stock chart and what we see as a trend. So here you can see that the overall situation is that over the last couple of months, the stock was pretty much, you know, at 2 cents to almost 3 cents, and then we had, you know, an increase in price up to 5.4 dollar cents. Then we went down a little bit back to this 2.8, 2.5 levels, and now currently trading somewhere around 7, which is the current price, and the last closing here was with 13% increase. So you can see that those movements are in either direction quite significant, you know, and depending on the volume, here's the volume, for example. The last trading day was a little bit bigger than the average volume, but about 390,000 shares are changing hands here on daily basis. And then the overall trend over the last months was definitely, you know, going higher here from about 2.85 dollar cents to about $7 that we discussed prior. So the overall trend seems to be going up, which is never a guarantee for future stock prices, but can give you a small hint where this thing is going. But again, you know, your own research here is crucial, guys. Your own risks and tolerance for this kind of stocks, when we're talking about penny stocks, are very important, guys. Okay, so don't go in any kind of investment, doesn't matter if it's this one or any other, guys, without your own research. You need to understand the product, the opportunities, but also the risks are very important. Again, this is not financial advice. So let's dive into the conclusion of this vlog. So in the conclusion, I would like to say, if you want to have the full summary of this report of this company, make sure to check out the link into the description. Otherwise, I would like to conclude this stock video with saying that those kind of penny stocks have obviously always great opportunity but great risk as well. So be aware and do your own research if this company is something for you and fit into your investment portfolio and your horizons that you can understand. But to summarize, the opportunity is the green leaf market, I believe, or in general the health and benefit market is growing. I mean, in total, right? I mean, think about mental health, think about body health, think about food health. I mean, I have a strange feeling that all of the people around me trying to be healthier, they want to be mindly, more aware of things, and this is fitting exactly to the pain point of so many people, okay? So I believe that this company, with the whole opportunity of a growing awareness of your whole body, has a huge potential, which could be the reason that, with a growing market, this stock can also grow. Obviously, with always the risk that the company is very volatile in the stock price, so be aware of that. And I would love to see your opinion about the stock as well in the comments below. So check out the company and let me know in the comments below what you think and what are your concerns or opportunities that you see with this company, and I will be ready to discuss with you in the comments below.